This is Luke at Luke Pools, and I'm standing in front of a power board for a Jandy automation system. And what this allows is we can put in the filter pump and a bunch of different controllers. And then over here it's got some extra controllers, and then it's got for valves, and then different settings over here. So right here will be your filter pump. They had a waterfall and an air blower, and one of these right here was spa spillover. This is where you would hit the button to turn on your heater if you had solar on top of your house. And then if you have a pool only, then you're only going to be using pool mode. But if you have a spa, you can hit the button for spa. If you want to drain out the spa, you can hit this button again. This light will come on. And then if you want to fill up the spa, hit that, and that will fill up the spa. But all of these, if you want to use any of these buttons, the service light has to be lit up, or the timeout light. You cannot do it when it's on auto. None of these buttons work. So all of these are controlled by an app called iAquaLink, or you can have one of these two devices. We have some service ones. So we have a service PDA that we can go out to people's houses, and they have a PDA and we need to make some changes. We can connect this up to their controller. And we also, for systems that have iAquaLink, we use this one touch controller. It has a telephone cord, and we plug it into the board. I will plug this into the board right here. And then when it's connected, if this was all connected up, the display would come on, tell everything about it. And then I'd be able to go in over here with the up and down arrow and change the settings, and I can get it all programmed up without having to have connection to the customer's Wi-Fi or be on their system. So it makes it really easy. I can go and set it up, and then when I'm done, I just unplug this, and all the settings are saved inside the computer here. There's the chip right there. It is a Pool and Spa 8, and it's revision R. So the system that comes with with this board has the pump, and then it will control up to 3 extra devices. If you want to have these other ones come with a different system. So the basic system will be a pool or a spa only. It'll have an antenna to connect to the internet. And let's see, we got one right here, I think. Nope, that's a Pump IQ, which I showed in a previous video. But it's an antenna that is like that will connect to your Wi-Fi. It doesn't have any buttons on it. It only has status lights like this on the side of it to tell you that it's connected to the internet. But it will connect to your internet, and then you will use an app to make all of your changes. So your app is going to have all the settings that this will have, but be in an app format, and that connects to their server and then syncs over to your controller really fast. I mean, as soon as you hit the button, it's turning on. So that's pretty much it. There's just a lot more versatility. Up here in the top is where all the sensors all connect. So there'll be a bar that connects, and we'll connect in the water temp sensor, the outside air temp sensor, and if you had a solar temp sensor, if you had solar system, then we would connect the solar temp sensor in. This is a space for if you had a hot tub, you could have a control panel, one of these that's made for being around spas, built into your spa, and you could control your spa from your spa. This controller right here would actually plug into, there's a 4-pin connector. It looks, it would be exactly like this, and this would plug in up here. You could have your iAquaLink would be connected to this. That would connect to your internet, so you can control it on your phone. You could also have an indoor version of one of these, but would have to be connected hardwire. They do not make a wireless option anymore. So it would have to be connected with a hard wire all the way inside your house. Or if you wanted to have one of these inside your pump room and you didn't want to use your app, you could mount one of these controllers inside your pump room, or you can mount it outside. They make an outdoor cover as well. But that does not come with the standard system. Your standard system is going to come with a power box and an enclosure for this, and then the relays to turn things on and off, and your antenna, and it will come with a, if you get the one with the saltwater system, it will come with that handheld remote that I showed you, the figure 8 remote. It will come with that in place of, well, it doesn't actually come in place, but all of your settings to turn things on and off will have to be programmed with this. And then you can use your smartphone to turn things on and off. But anytime you want to change the settings, or you can change the heater temperature with the iAquaLink, but anytime you want to change the pump runtime, or the cleaner, when the cleaner comes on and off, or you want the light to come on at a different time, you'll have to use this if you have the PDA version. The benefit of the PDA version is it has a big breaker panel. So it's a big panel. It has all the breakers in it. It has the power supply for the salt system, and it has the salt cell included in that price. If you priced these all individually, it'd be in the neighborhood of $5,500 to $6,000 installed. So buying it with the PDA, it's a pool only or a spa only system. So you can't have a pool and spa unless you spend the extra money to get the PDA system that will have up to 8 auxiliaries. Or you can actually you can have a system that'll have up to 32 auxiliaries if you have that big of a swimming pool. So this it's pretty confusing. There's a lot of different ones, but the one that I'm proposing is a PDA with the salt system. If you get the iAquaLink version, you can get the pool or the spa, and the pool and the spa, but it does not come with the built-in saltwater system. That is an extra add-on to it. If you have the Autopilot Nano, it does not talk with this system. So it is be a standalone piece. It will not communicate. It will only, it will turn on when your pool pump is turned on, and it will turn off when your pool pump is turned off. It will tell you the salt, how much salt to put in the pool, and it will keep your pool clean and sanitary. So if you have, this is obviously a long-winded video, and I've been all over the place, but if you have questions, number 770-414-8000, or just send me an email off of our website. Have a great day.